Looking for affordable wireless earbuds that don't compromise on quality?
What do you want to be when you grow up?
The TOZO T6 offers impressive features like waterproof durability and solid sound quality, all for under $30. But can these budget-friendly earbuds really stand up to daily use? Let's dive in and see if the TOZO T6 is worth adding to your tech arsenal. Unboxing. The TOZO T6 comes in simple, minimalist packaging. Inside, you'll find the earbuds in their charging case, a USB charging cable, 6 pairs of silicone ear tips, and some paperwork. Specs. The TOZO T6 features 6mm dynamic drivers, Bluetooth 5.3, and supports both AUX and SBC codecs. The earbuds offer 10 to 12 hours of playback on a full charge at 50% volume, with a total of 45 to 50 hours when using the charging case. They're also IP68 waterproof, so you can take them to the gym, out in the rain, or even into the shower. A standout feature is wireless charging. Just drop them on any Qi-compatible charger, and you're set. Companion app. With the TOZO app, you can customize touch controls, adjust the EQ, and receive firmware updates to keep everything running smoothly. Build quality and comfort. The TOZO T6 has a solid build with a blend of plastic and a matte rubber finish for comfort and durability. The glossy earbuds have LED lights and touch-sensitive controls for play pause, calls, voice assistant, and volume adjustment. Sound quality. Now, onto the sound. The highs are detailed and controlled, making long listening sessions pleasant. The mids, where vocals reside, are natural but could use more presence. The bass is where these earbuds shine, offering strong mid-bass and a satisfying rumble in the sub-lows. However, the powerful bass can sometimes overshadow the mids, so if you prefer a balanced sound, keep this in mind. Conclusion. The TOZO T6 is a fantastic budget option for those seeking waterproof, bass-heavy earbuds for workouts. While the sound isn't perfectly balanced, the features and price make it a great deal. If you want to check them out, I've linked them in the description. Thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe, and share. Catch you in the next one. Cheers.